Hey guys, so I wanted to come here today and just talk to you of what's on my heart about beauty in the eyes of God and beauty in the eyes of men. So before I do that, let me just take my glasses off. Beauty in the eyes of men is beauty that's been seen physically, but beauty in the eyes of God is being seen spiritually. So last night, as I was laying in bed, I was going through TikTok videos. I was actually looking at makeup videos, tutorial videos, actually, to be exact. And I get a text which comes in and asks me, "Are you in bed?" And I say, "Yes." And I was asked, "Am I disturbing?" I said, "No, I'm struggling to fall asleep." So I'm scrolling on TikTok looking at videos. And I was asked, "What kind of videos are you looking at?" And I said, "Makeup tutorial videos." And the person said, "Oh, so you're getting tips." And I was like, it doesn't help getting tips if you don't have the products. And this person told me, "But you know you are beautiful even without makeup, right?" And that actually clicked in my head. We rate beauty when it comes to God, that unless you are perfect, that's the only time you seek God. But you have to seek God in all your brokenness, in all your troubles, in all your worries. And God is there to cleanse us and fix us and make us whole beautiful. When you look in the mirror, you don't see the person you want to see. You don't like what you're seeing. But give that mirror to God to shatter it and remodel it and be the perfect mirror that you look back into. When I saw that message telling me that you're beautiful, in a sense of man, of flesh, I thought the person is only telling me that because they don't want me to make up. But when I went to the spiritual level, looking at how God would like it, it tells me that God is saying, "Hey, no matter how you are, how dirty you think you are, either you were raped, either you had a child out of wedlock, either you killed someone, you stole someone, you told lies, I am going to accept you the way you are. You are beautiful to me, and what I'm after is your heart." So, my dear friends, you don't have to make yourself up. You don't have to change your looks, the way you walk, the way you talk, for God to accept you. God is saying, "Come to me the way you are, with an open heart, and I will take you and I will shape you, fix you, and mold you according to my will." I hope this helps, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.